Okay, hello students, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss moment generating function. Let us see one problem. If the distribution function of a random variable capital X is given by capital X equal to 1 minus of 1 plus x into e power minus x, x greater than 0. So using cumulative distribution function, first we are going to find the probability density function of capital X, which means small f of x. So using probability density function, we are going to find what is mean value of x and what is variance of. So what is given? And the given function is what? Distribution function is given. That is capital F of x equal to what? 1 minus 1 plus x e power minus x. X varies from what? X greater than 0. Okay, which means it's from 0 to infinity. Okay. So first we simplify this function. Later we find the first one is probability density function. Okay. So if we simplify this, which means if we multiply these two functions, we get what? 1 minus of e power minus x plus into minus minus x into e power minus x greater than 0. Okay. So this is called what? Our capital F of x. Okay, so what is our target? We find a small f of 1, we find a small f of x. Okay, how to find a small f of x? We know the properties of a distribution function, that is nothing but small x equal to d by dx of what? Capital F of x, which means we are going to differentiate with respect to x in the given function. Okay, how to differentiate this? What is differentiation of constant? 0. So 0 minus, what is differentiation of e power ax? That is nothing but what? E power ax into a. What is product rule of uv? That is nothing but u into v dash plus v into u dash. So using these two formula, we are going to find a small f of x value. Okay. So minus of e power minus ax is nothing but e power minus x into minus 1. Okay. Minus. So here both functions are x, right? We want to apply product rule. What is product rule? uv dash equal to uv dash plus v u dash. So we consider this is u, this is v. So apply uv formula. So you consider u as it is. What is u? X. What is differentiation of e power minus x? So we get e power minus x into minus 1. Plus, now we consider v as it is, that is e power minus x into, what is differentiation of x? So if you simplify this, we get final answer, right? So minus into minus plus, so we get minus x, minus into minus plus, x into e power minus x, plus into minus, we get minus e power minus x. So here minus e power x plus e power minus x are getting cancelled. We get only x e power minus x. So this is nothing but what? Small f value. X from x greater than. Okay. So therefore, how to find a small f of x? If capital F of x is given, so using this property, we are going to find small f of x value. So what is second question? Second question, we are going to find mean value. That is nothing but we are going to find. Okay. So we know. Okay, so we know that what is mean formula? Mu equal to expected of x, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, but x into f of x into dx. Okay, so that is equal to integration x. What is f of x value? That is x into e power minus x, right? So x into e power minus x into dx. What is limit? X greater than 0. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is what? Infinity. If we simplify this, we get, which means if you multiply function, we get integration 0 to infinity x square into e power minus x into dx. Okay. How to integrate this? So using Bernoulli formula. What is Bernoulli formula of u v dx? That is nothing. U into v1 minus u dash into v2, u double dash into v3 minus etc. So here u dash, u dash, u triple dash and so on, but differentiate with respect to x. So v1 is nothing but integration of v into dx. v2 is nothing but integration of previous value, that is v1 into dx and so on. Okay, so using formula, we are going to integrate with respect to x for this function. Okay. So here we consider. So here we consider what is u we take x square. Okay. So we consider e power minus x. So first we find the derivative terms of x square, that is u dash equal to 2x, u double dash is nothing but 2, u triple dash is 0. So hereafter you get a 0. Coming to v1, how v1 using this formula? What is integration of e power minus x into dx? That is nothing but e power minus x by minus 1 minus e power minus x. How to find v2? Integration with respect to x in that is minus e power minus into dx, that is equal to of what? Minus e power minus x e power minus. How to find v3? Once you get third derivative 0, so similarly we find correct term up to v3. v3 is nothing but e power minus x into dx, that is what? Minus e power minus x. Bernoulli formula, multiply u into v1, u dash into v2, u into v3, u triple dash into 4. Here v you get some answer. That answer into 0 you get always 0. Okay. So using Bernoulli formula we can write this what? U value is square into v1 minus minus x. Formula minus. What is u dash? U dash is 2x. v2 is e power. What is u double dash? U double dash is what? 2 into minus e power minus x. We can write e power minus x. Limit varies from what? 0 to infinity. So now wherever x equal to substitute in upper limit minus lower limit. We know that e power infinity, e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 equal to what? So using these three results, we simplify this function. Okay. If we substitute x equal to infinity, e power minus infinity is what? 0. Coming to second one, if we substitute here, you get 0. If here, you get 0. Therefore, the upper limit will be 0. Minus. Coming to lower limit, substitute x equal to here, e power 0, 1. But if we substitute here, you get what? 0. So here 0 minus, here also you get 0 plus in minus 2 into what is e power 0? That is 1. If we simplify this, we get minus into minus plus 2. So this is what? Mu equal to e of x value. Okay. So this is the way we find a mean. What is third one? Next we find expected value of x square. Okay. So that is nothing but what? Minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x into. So here that is nothing but to infinity, x greater than 0. So we consider 0 to infinity, x into what? X into e power minus x into dx, right? Here you see f of x value, x into e power minus x. Okay. So now if you multiply this, you get what? Integration 0 to infinity x cube into e power minus x into dx. Okay. So how to integrate this? Once again we are using Bernoulli formula. What is Bernoulli formula? So here we consider what? So take u equal to what? X cube. Okay. So we consider v equal to e power minus x. We find derivative terms. U dash equal to 3x square, u double dash equal to 6x, u triple what? 6, u fourth order is 0. So correspondingly we find fourth derivative. Okay. So v1. What is v1? Integration of e power minus x into dx, that is what? Minus e power minus x. What is v2? Previous one, v1 into dx, that is e power into dx. So minus is constant, take outside. If we integrate this, minus x into minus 1, so that is equal to e power minus x. What is v3? v3 is nothing but integration of e power minus x into dx, that is equal to e power minus x. What is v4? v4 is nothing minus of minus e power minus x, that is equal to what? E power minus x. Okay, which means what? This term. Sorry. Which means what? So integration of this term. If you integrate this, okay. which means what? If you integrate this function, we get this value. So what is Bernoulli formula? Multiply u into v1, u dash into v2, u double dash v3, u triple dash v4. U fourth order is 0. If you multiply here, everything is 0. Okay. So now substitute here. So that is equal to, okay. What is u? U value is what? X cube. So x cube. v1. v1 is minus e power minus x. This is first term. Formula minus u dash. U dash value is 3 square into e power minus x plus u double dash 6x into minus e power minus x plus formula minus, right? Next one is what? Formula minus 6 into e power minus x. Substitute wherever x equal to what? 0 to infinity. Now substitute upper limit. So if we substitute upper limit, we get what? E power minus infinity is 0, e power 1. Okay. So if we substitute here upper limit, you get 0. Here also e power minus infinity, so you get 0. Then plus here also e power minus infinity is 0 minus here also e power minus infinity is 0. Therefore upper limit will be 0. Coming to lower limit, substitute x equal to 0. If you substitute 0, you get what? This is 0. Second term will be 0. Third term also 0. Fourth term 6 into e power 0 is 1. So we get only minus 6. Minus 6 into minus, you get plus 6. So this is called what? E of x square value. So what is our second question? Second question, we find the variance of x. What is variance of x formula? Variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x whole square, right? So we know what is E of x square, that is 6 minus what is E of x, you see previous one, E of x equal to 2, right? So 2 whole square. So 2 that is equal to 6 minus 4 that is equal to what? 2. So therefore variance of x equal to what? 2. Okay. So finally we write the final conclusion. What is conclusion? We know what is small 4. We can write the conclusion is what? Small f of x equal to what? X into e power minus x, x greater than 0. Second, mean value. Mean is nothing but mu. Mu value is 2. Okay. And third one, variance is nothing but sigma square, that is b of x, that is equal to 2. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.